Tutorial IIT Bombay, so that you will aware about the courses of Spoken Tutorial IIT Bombay and about aware the Spoken Tutorial project IIT Bombay. So now I would like to invite our director, sir, Professor Jitendra Pandey, sir. You welcome, sir.
I hope I am audible.
Yes, sir.
Good morning to all the esteemed guests, faculty members, learners and participants. It is my great pleasure to welcome you all to the virtual awareness program on skill-based courses organized by School of Computer Science and IT at Uttarakhand Open University in collaboration with Spoken Tutorial IIT Mumbai. Although our esteemed Vice Chancellor, Professor O.P.S. Negi, could not join us today, I extend a warm welcome to him in absentia and acknowledge him for his invaluable support for this event. I would also like to express my gratitude to the following individuals who have made this event possible: Professor Durgesh Pant, Dr. Ashutosh Bhatt, Dr. Balam Dafauti, Nodal Officer of Spoken Tutorial Project at Uttarakhand Open University, and Ms. Varsha, Training Manager at Spoken Tutorial IIT Bombay. Additionally, I would like to thank all the members of the organizing team, faculty members, and our learners. As we gather today, we are reminded of the growing importance of skill education in shaping the future of our students and the workforce. The new education policy has recognized the critical role that skill development plays in higher education and has recommended embedding skill-based courses within university curricula. At Uttarakhand Open University, we are making concentrated efforts to integrate skill-based education into our programs, empowering students with the practical knowledge and expertise required in today's fast-paced and evolving job market. For this event, we are proud to introduce learners to the Spoken Tutorial Project, which plays a pivotal role in promoting free and open source software. This initiative not only helps students save on expensive licensing fees, but also fosters an open source approach to learning and innovation. FOSS supports the development of vital technical skills while ensuring that our learners have access to tools that are substantial in the long term. The collaboration between UOU and Spoken Tutorial aligns with our vision of offering affordable, high-quality, skill-based education to all. I am confident that today's session will offer valuable insight into the world of POS and inspire many to adopt these tools in their academic and professional pursuits. Once again, I extend my heartfelt thanks to all the participants, organizers, and faculty members. I hope that this event proves to be both informative and inspiring. Thank you, and I look forward to a productive and enriching session ahead. Thank you.
Thank you so much, sir, for your valuable words. And now I would like to invite Professor Ashutosh Kumar Bhatt, sir, Course Coordinator, Uttarakhand Open University, Haldwani.
Thank you, Dr. Balam. Respected Director, School of Computer Science, Professor Jitendra Pandey, sir. Our resource person of this workshop, Professor Dr. Varsha, and coordinator of the workshop, Dr. Balam, dear faculty member, and dear learner from PAL Institute of Management Technology, from MIT Institute of Management Technology, and from other different places of Uttarakhand. So it's great privilege that we are in this workshop, and the computer science department of this university is always organizing such workshop. We are also involved in this virtual lab as well as spoken tutorial. Previously, we are also running different courses, and in all the courses we are encouraging student, motivating student to do the practical through spoken tutorial or virtual lab. And even we have included this virtual lab in our course uh, timetable, and we will also include this spoken tutorial also in the timetable. So our director, Professor Jiten Pandey sir, always motivate us to organize such workshop to motivate student towards learning through SWAYAM, through spoken tutorial, through virtual lab. And Balam is also part of this uh, workshop, and he is initiating such type of activity. So I wish all the best to all the learner as well as our organizing team of the university. So thank you, Balam. Thank you very much. Thank you, our resource person, for giving us time. Thank you once again. Over to you, Balam. Thank you.
Thank you so much, sir, for your kind of words. And now I would like to invite our training manager, Varsha ma'am. So, ma'am, you are most welcome.
Thank you so much, sir. First of all, I would like to thank the Uttarakhand Open University for arranging this virtual awareness session for students and the entire management committee of this university. Especially, I would like to thank Professor Durgesh Pant. Because of him, we have started implementing spoken tutorial training program since 2013. And he has helped us a lot to introduce in each and every sector in Uttarakhand. And I would like to thank Professor Jitendra Pandey for giving an overview that how FOSS is very helpful for the students and how they can initiate this for their curriculum, and other faculty members also how they can introduce, because FOSS is much needed in today's generation. And also Professor Ashutosh Bhatt for giving his overview regarding that. He mentioned that previously also you have introduced our program to the students. It's really great that we all are together to introduce and initiate this training for all students of Uttarakhand Open University. And Professor Negi, the Vice Chancellor, for giving an opportunity and giving a stage to introduce this to all. And Dr. Dafoti for organizing this session. He is really very active in organizing all this session and even coordinating for each and every aspect for the spoken tutorial program. So for all students, good morning. So you are here to know more about spoken tutorial, how it is helpful for you. So let's start. So what exactly spoken tutorial is? Actually, spoken tutorial IIT Bombay project is coming from Ministry of Education, Government of India. Let's move on to next slide. So, sir, can you just change this slide?
No. Which slide, ma'am? This
Second one. I would like to.
This one.
Second. After spoken tutorial developed at IIT Bombay. So second slide.
This one.
I'm unable to see, sir. Yeah, correct, sir. So these courses are developed at IIT Bombay, and our courses is in Google award-winning program MOOCs courses. Successfully, we have trained approx 87 lakhs plus students and teachers across India, including schools, UG, PG, polytechnic, engineering, ITI, higher education, etc. And we guarantee and obtaining mastery through self-learning. So The best part is flexible learning at a very low cost. Flexible in the sense, students, you can learn at any time, anywhere, these courses. So there is no need to have an internet. Plus, once you download these courses, you can learn offline as well. So flexible learning is there. Next, how it fulfills the requirement of MOOCs courses. So MOOC courses are introduced by each and every university, and AICT has also approved our courses to introduce these courses as a MOOCs program. And we are partnered with 125 affiliating university and state government higher education and technical education bodies nationwide. So what is spoken tutorial? Spoken means audio video and tutorial means e-tutor, which is an open source software. Our courses is a very self-learning way, active learning method, wherein students, what you all have to do, you just have to listen to the command, sit in the front of the computer, attach the earphone, listen to the commands, practice it side by side. What does side by side mean? Side by side means in one side, left hand side, you would be seeing a software, and right hand side, you will be seeing tutorials. So that you have to practice it. This way, you will get hands-on experience, the practical experience. And also for each and every tutorial, there is an assignment. So you have to follow that assignment, solve that assignment. Okay. Then the best part, what I would say, that we offer these courses into 22 different regional languages, wherein you will not only learn into English, but other regional languages. Now let's see what the students say about the tutorials, how it has helped. So can you just play this video?
ये वही मैडम को वाला वो थोड़ा जो है ना आपका एक्स्ट्रा बैच की रिपोर्ट दिखाओ, अपना पेपर दिखाओ.
So fourth slide and fifth slide video है सर, वो प्ले करना है, स्टूडेंट्स का फीडबैक.
This one. ये तो प्ले नहीं हो रहा मैम. कौन सा स्लाइड में है मैम? ये दिस वन.
वो नहीं, फोर्थ स्लाइड नहीं हो रहा तो चलेगा सर. ये वाला स्लाइड देखिए प्ले हो रहा है क्या? फिफ्थ वाला भी. दोनों वीडियोस है, टेस्टिमोनियल्स है सर स्टूडेंट के. नहीं हो रहा है सर?
मैम इट्स नॉट वर्किंग.
ओके, ठीक है सर, मैं ये दोनों टेस्टिमोनियल्स आपको मेल पे भेज दूंगी.
Okay.
Then just share it with students. Let's move on to sixth slide, e-governance and FOSS. As Professor Jitendra initially said, the importance of FOSS and e-governance. So let me tell you what is the importance and in which states it has been really developed a lot about the e-governance. Kerala is a leading way in adopting Linux with 2,600 schools and approximately 1.5 million students using open source operating systems. This initiative is a part of broader movement in India, where 18 out of 30 states are either using Linux or have pilot projects in place. The western state of Maharashtra is also leveraging Linux and LibreOffice to revamp its healthcare systems. In Kerala, e-governance application have achieved 100% adoption. Furthermore, Tamil Nadu government's IT department has mandated the installation of Linux in all departments. Even I would like to tell you that Maharashtra government has saved 90 crore, 90 crore, which has been utilized to purchase computers. So it's really done a great job. Like while using this open source software, so much money has been used for other purposes, like important purposes, like purchasing computers and everything. Any university, any institute can reuse these funds. Let's move on to next slide. So here all the participants majorly are students. So you must be thinking that what are the benefits of spoken tutorial program? I think you are having a theory part in your syllabus plus practical part. For example, let's say Python. Okay. So through spoken tutorial program, you will gain a practical exposure, which will help you to enhance your academic performance. You will focus on practical as well as theory. So we are offering not only the Python Drupal, but many other job-oriented courses. And the flexibility you get, you can learn from your own, your home. If you get this content in pen drive, download it in your laptop and learn from your home whenever you get the time. Practice it. Practice is very much important for this. You study online, offline, where no internet is required. Once you download this courses, internet is not required. You can learn it, go through it, practice it. If you don't understood the assignment or the topic, go back again to that topic, learn it. So you have that opportunity to go back to the topics and learn it properly, and then go to another topic and solve the assignments. Also, if you face any technical queries, we have a forum, spoken tutorial forum, wherein you can post your queries. You will definitely get answers to them. Certificates. Now, certificates. What is the importance of certificate for you all students? Can anyone say? Let's have an interaction session. Any student, what is the importance of certificate? Any student can answer.
Ma'am, they act as a knowledge acknowledgement medium.
Okay. And any other thing? Okay. Let me tell you. If you attach this certificate to your resume, will it give weightage? Yes. During your placement opportunity, whenever you get an opportunity for placement or job opportunities, when you go out, once you graduate from the university, when you go out, you attach this certificate to your resume. It will add an weightage. It will enhance your biodata. These courses, because nowadays company is looking for a candidate, for a very good candidate who is best into coding, who is having a very good practical knowledge and hands-on knowledge, not a theory part. Yeah, theory part is important, but companies definitely look for a student who is having a very good knowledge in hands-on or practical. So improve your practical knowledge through spoken tutorial IIT Bombay courses. So here you will get 2 certificates from spoken tutorial. Once you complete the training, then you will get a participation certificate. And once you complete the test, if you score 40% and above, you will get a completion certificate. So both of the certificate you can attach. And also advanced job courses you can learn. And the test timings are also flexible. There is like as per the faculty convenience and students convenience, we can set timetable for a test and we can conduct a test as per the convenience. Yeah, the students who score best will get an opportunity to participate in job fairs organized by Spoken Tutorial IIT Bombay. So let's move on to next slide. So why Spoken Tutorial for faculty members? Faculty members have faculty development program. They need to learn few courses or some of the other courses and get the certificates, which are really very helpful for their career enhancement, APIs, everything. So Spoken Tutorial will help you for your career enhancement. As previously I have mentioned, flexibility. So same way, if students have flexibility, faculty also have the flexibility. Also, faculty can introduce our courses during their practical session. they can introduce these ICT tools in their classroom. We, as I have already mentioned, that accepted MOOCs program is recommended by AICT and SWAYA. Faculty members who organize the session to their students and conduct faculty development for the university, they will definitely get a letter of appreciation from Spoken Tutorial IIT Bombay. Also, we are having one more software that is LaTeX, which is recently Uttarakhand Open University has conducted this program, which is very useful for writing thesis, lecture notes, journal articles, etc. So PG students can definitely opt for LaTeX courses. Let's move on to next slide. So why Spoken Tutorial is for college or university? Every year they have to submit a report that what ICT introduction you have done, or what additional activities or MOOCs courses or anything you have done for NAC accreditation, NIRF, NBA criteria. So when we provide a letter of association, a letter of certification to the university or the colleges, we give a proper report that this many students have trained, this many courses, total number of students, everything is mentioned in letter of certification, which will be really helpful for you during your NAC accreditation process. The best part is distance learning mode. From anywhere you can learn these courses. Then flexibility, as I have mentioned, and 24/7 service is provided by Spoken Tutorial IIT managers, IIT Bombay managers. And university is introducing smart class technology in their university or college, which is very helpful. Let's see next slide. In next slide, that total how many trainings we have done in Uttarakhand state. So till now we have trained approx 1,30,958 participants, and total number of institutes we are with is 97. The key partnership under universities you can see: Graphic Era University, Roorkee College of Engineering, Uttarakhand Open University, Haridwar University. So many more university or colleges are there. So let's move on to next slide. How university or colleges can start. As Dr. Dafoti is a nodal officer, he will be initiating this training. He has already registered and have a membership login ID, and he will help all the students to enroll for each course for per department, per year students. And this will, I think, sir, you only will be taking care of this, introducing these courses to all the students, right, sir?
Yes.
Okay, great. So constant guidance will be given. Let's see in next slide what all courses we have and how it is helpful for jobs and skills with Spoken Tutorial courses. Drupal, PHP, MySQL, which is very useful for web developer jobs, database management, and Android apps. GIMP, Inkscape, which is very much in need in textile, graphic and design, paper industry, poster industry. Blender is very much used in animation industry. And for IT industry, C, Java, NetBeans, programming languages, which is very useful. Now, DWSIM, which is used in processing industries like detergent, pharma, manufacturing plants. Linux, Boss Linux for sysadmins, which I have already shared in e-governance slide, which is very important for e-governance, SMEs, government, and military. LibreOffice document, spreadsheet, slides. So these are the basic IT skills package LibreOffice suite, wherein students will not only learn about data entry or Excel sheet or PPT, they will learn up to desktop publishing, which is used in magazines, newspapers, etc. So let's move on to next slide. These are an overview of softwares. Let's see basic IT skills, as I've mentioned, graphic and animation. you can have a look. Linux, Bash, LibreOffice Suite, which I have mentioned, Writer, Calc, Impress Base, Firefox, Blender, GIMP, Inkscape, QCAD. QCAD here I'll tell, which is very much important for civil engineering students. Programming languages, web development, database management, which I've already mentioned, and our specialty packages like GChemPaint, JMOL application, which is very useful for chemistry department. OpenFOAM, which is very much useful for mechanical engineering students. LaTeX, which is useful for PG students, and even faculty members can go through LaTeX. So let's move on to next slide. So here I would like to end my presentation and ask you all if you have any questions, like any thoughts or anything, any doubts, whatever you have regarding spoken tutorial courses.
मैं स्टूडेंट से रिक्वेस्ट करूंगा कि कृपया आप लोगों के अगर कोई क्वेरीज वगैरह हैं, कोई सवाल वगैरह हैं, आप लोग पूछ सकते हैं.
Ma'am, I would like to know if we can verify if the from third party if the certificates are valid for government valid.
If certificate is?
Ma'am, valid for government jobs.
Yeah, see, definitely it is. We cannot guarantee that this in government sector that will be used. As I have told you, in e-governance, they have already started using open source software. So definitely, if you mention spoken tutorial IIT Bombay certificate, it will really help, not only in government jobs but also in private sector.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you for clarification.
और पूछिए, आप लोगों के मन में कोई सवाल हो आप पूछ सकते हैं. किसी और को कुछ पूछना है?
Ma'am, there are so many online platforms where we can develop our skills. If we develop our skills online via YouTube or any others third party, and we don't have certificate, will that work?
I would like to ask you one question. Will it work if you go out for a job opportunity? Can you show that I have learned this course through YouTube? Can you mention in your resume?
No.
Yeah. So certificate is very much important.
That's why I'm at. So
Yeah.
so from where we can get a good certificate like Edureka or Crisco and others?
See, you don't have to go anywhere. Your Uttarakhand Open University has already collaborated with us. They will offer you our courses wherein you will easily get the certificates after learning the courses with practical exposure. So you don't have to go anywhere and worry about certificate.
Okay, ma'am. Okay, thank you.
Yeah.
मैडम, मैं इसमें एक बात करना चाहूंगा. अभी हमारे स्टूडेंट्स भी हैं इसमें और डॉक्टर बालम स्पोकन ट्यूटोरियल को देख रहे हैं.
हाँ.
तो हम डॉक्टर बालम, हम इसको जो है अभी स्टूडेंट्स को इसको टाइम टेबल के अकॉर्डिंग हम इनको स्पोकन ट्यूटोरियल के जो प्रैक्टिकल सेशंस हैं और जो भी लेक्चर शेड्यूल है वो भी हम टाइम टेबल में इंक्लूड करेंगे अभी, ताकि स्टूडेंट्स को बेनिफिट मिल जाए और स्टूडेंट्स के लिए भी इंफॉर्मेशन है. अभी जितने लोग इसमें कनेक्ट हैं और कुछ अभी नए एडमिशन स्टार्ट हो गए हैं स्वयं पे, उसकी लिस्ट भी हम डाल देंगे. तो वो स्टूडेंट्स के लिए वो भी इम्पोर्टेंट हैं. कुछ कोर्स हमारे अपने डिपार्टमेंट के चलते हैं तो स्वयं के, और इस पे और वर्चुअल लैब, और इसकी अटेंडेंस भी हम बाद में कंपल्सरीली देखेंगे स्टूडेंट्स की जब प्रैक्टिकल के टाइम पे. क्योंकि ये स्नैपशॉट जो भी, जैसे अगर ये वर्चुअल लैब और स्पोकन ट्यूटोरियल पर जो वर्क करेंगे तो उसका स्नैपशॉट लेंगे और वो स्नैपशॉट एक फाइल के फॉर्म में हमको प्रैक्टिकल, बिफोर प्रैक्टिकल दे विल सबमिट टू द यूनिवर्सिटी. उसके बाद फिर हम वाइवा इसका आगे इनका प्रोसेस करेंगे. इस तरह से कुछ इसमें एक रूल भी हम बनाएंगे. बाकी जो इंस्ट्रक्शन स्टूडेंट को हम यहाँ पे ग्रुप्स में डालते हैं तो वो देखते रहे हैं इस पे. और जो ये सर्टिफिकेशन का कह रहे हैं स्टूडेंट्स ऑनलाइन, तो उसमें ये लिस्ट हम बीच में हम इंक्लूड करेंगे डायरेक्टर साहब से पूछ करके कंप्यूटर साइंस में. तो जैसे वो बताएंगे उसी के अकॉर्डिंग हम इसमें इनके लिए इसको जो है डाल देंगे ग्रुप में, ताकि स्टूडेंट को इसका बेनिफिट मिल सके. ठीक है, मेरी बात खत्म हुई.
ठीक है सर, थैंक यू.
हाँ,
निर्देशन में.
हाँ. तो ये, हाँ, ये जानकारी भी होगी स्टूडेंट्स के लिए, क्योंकि आज काफी स्टूडेंट जुड़े हुए हैं इस वर्कशॉप में।
तो आज का जो ये वर्चुअल सेशन है वो बेसिकली अवेयरनेस प्रोग्राम के बारे में है कि कैसे स्पोकन ट्यूटोरियल बेसिकली है क्या और इसके कोर्सेज क्या है। तो इसके रिगार्डिंग ये वर्चुअल प्रोग्राम हमने रखा था, तो सो दैट कि थोड़ा बहुत स्टूडेंट को हम लोगों को उनको पता चल जाए कि एक्चुअली स्पोकन ट्यूटोरियल एक्चुअली है क्या, है ना। तो वो उनके क्या क्या कोर्सेज हैं, उन कोर्सेज के क्या क्या वैल्यू है, वेदर दे आर वैलिड और नॉट। सो ये बच्चों ने भी पूछा, बहुत अच्छा क्वेश्चन पूछा बच्चों ने भी। और आज के एक सेशन में जो मैं धन्यवाद करना चाहूँगा अपने डायरेक्टर सर प्रोफेसर जितेंद्र पांडे सर का, और कोर्स कोऑर्डिनेटर डॉक्टर आशुतोष कुमार भट्ट सर का, और स्पेशली थैंक्स टू आवर स्पीकर मैम। Thank you so much, Varsha ma'am, for the valuable information regarding the virtual awareness program. You have highlighted the importance of spoken tutorial for our learners, like how to get the certificate, how to download the resources, and how to give the test also, and what are the courses available for our learners. So we will also do the training separately for this course after the in some another day. So thank you so much thank you so much to all the learners who have joining us, and thank you very much ma'am, and once again
Thank you, sir, for really giving an opportunity to speak and interact with the students, which is like with faculty, we interact every day, whatever issues they have, but we get a very less chance to interact with students and understand their queries and understand their perspective about the open source software. So it's really great, sir.
थैंक यू सो मच मैम। तो आज का सेशन हम यहीं पर एंड करते हैं, और इसके अब अलग से जो कोर्सेज आप लोगों ने बताए हमें कि कौन कौन से कोर्सेज हमारे लिए अवेलेबल हैं, उसके लिए हम सेपरेटली ट्रेनिंग प्रोग्राम अरेंज करेंगे, और उस ट्रेनिंग प्रोग्राम के दौरान कि आपको उस कोर्सेज के बारे में बताएंगे कि कैसे ये कोर्सेज आप लोगों को पढ़ना है, कैसे एक्सेस कर सकते हैं, और कैसे आप लोग इस कोर्सेज को ट्रेनिंग प्रोग्राम को कंप्लीट करने के बाद कैसे आप लोग सर्टिफिकेट इसका एक्सेस कर सकते हैं, इसके बारे में पूरे डिटेल में आप लोगों को बताया जाएगा। तो थैंक यू सो मच टू ऑल।
Thank you, sir.
थैंक यू मैम। आप लोगों का जो डेटा है, आप लोगों ने जो भी लर्नर्स यहाँ पर जिन लोगों ने रजिस्ट्रेशन किया है, उन लोगों का डेटा हम लोग जो है कि स्पोकन ट्यूटोरियल की वेबसाइट पर डाल देंगे, और आई होप कि आप लोगों को वहां से भी एक मेल आ जाएगी। और इसकी जो भी हमारे जो अन्य जो लोग नहीं जुड़ पाए हैं, उनको भी हम लोग ये जो आज का जो सेशन का ये जो रिकॉर्डेड वीडियो लेक्चर है, हम उन तक भी शेयर कर देंगे। तो
रजिस्ट्रेशन लिंक पे रजिस्ट्रेशन करना जरूरी है क्या?
नहीं, वो हम करेंगे, हम करेंगे ना, वो यूनिवर्सिटी करेगी आपको। आप लोगों ने जो रजिस्ट्रेशन फॉर्म दिया है, आप लोग को आपने रजिस्ट्रेशन कर दिया होगा ना गूगल फॉर्म पे, तो वी विल रजिस्टर्ड यू, यू कैन नॉट।
रजिस्टर नहीं करा था, कल जो लिंक आया था उस पे गूगल फॉर्म में, मैंने तो सीधा मीटिंग ज्वाइन करी।
या तो हम लोग उसमें आप लोग को रजिस्टर कर देंगे, और देन स्पेशली ये जो हमारे कोर्सेस अलॉट हो रखे हैं हमें 1 by 1 करके, इसके लिए ट्रेनिंग सेशन हम लोग यहाँ पर वो
तो सर इसके लिए कोई अलग से वो फॉर्म फिल करना पड़ेगा कि ट्रेनिंग कोर्सेज के लिए, या हमारे सेशन में इंक्लूड है?
हम आपको बताएंगे कैसा करना है, उसके लिए अलग से हम लोग ट्रेनिंग प्रोग्राम।
मैं सर मास्टर का स्टूडेंट हूँ, उसमें क्या कहते हैं जर्नलिज्म में।
ओके,
फर्स्ट ईयर है मेरा मास कम्युनिकेशन में।
हाँ हाँ ठीक है,
तो इसलिए मैं पूछ रहा था कि हमारे उसमें इंक्लूड है, या ये मतलब अलग से सेशन चल रहे हैं?
नहीं, ये अलग से कोर्सेस है, ये कंपलसरी कोर्सेस नहीं है, ये आपका एक कोर्सेस है, नॉन क्रेडिट बेस्ड कोर्सेस है ना, तो आप लोग कर सकते हैं। पर्टिकुलरली आपको जो भी प्रोग्राम आपको अच्छा लगता है स्पोकन ट्यूटोरियल का, वो आप उसको ट्रेनिंग कर सकते हैं, और उसके रिगार्डिंग आप जब हम लोग यहाँ पर आप लोगों को रजिस्टर करेंगे, हाँ उसका ट्रेनिंग प्रोग्राम पूरा होते हैं, आप उसको जैसे आपको लगे कि मेरा इस पर पूरा हमने इसका एक्सेस कर लिया है, पढ़ लिया है, तब आप उसका टेस्ट दे सकते हैं। तो टेस्ट देते जाओ, you will get the certificate, right?
यू गेट द सर्टिफिकेट। ओके सर, टेस्ट हम कभी भी दे सकते हैं जब हमने पूरा पढ़ लिया है।
Yes, 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 you can anytime, anytime.
ओके, ठीक है सर, बस यही पूछना।
Okay, okay. Thank you so much to all for joining us.
थैंक यू सर, थैंक यू।